Good day and welcome to Bite Size. Today I want to ask you, what's your wind? I think if you ask any farmer, they don't like wind when there's a fire. So what's your wind? What motivates you? Is it money? Is it power? Is it that people obey you? But may our wind be, first and foremost, glorifying God who gave us the potential to lead. But secondly, may our wind be to have a purpose much greater than ourselves. That when you and I pass this world, we leave a legacy that will keep on going. What's your wind? What motivates you? May you be the best leader you can be. Cheers.